If you're creative, you know that your workflow is pretty much everything. But what happens when the tools you rely on every single day start to fundamentally change? Well, that's what we're talking about today. We're diving deep into how AI is being woven right into Photoshop and what that really means for the future of your work. Let's get into it. And this quote, it just nails it. We're not talking about a few new filters or a gimmicky new feature here. No, this is a complete transformation. We're moving away from those manual, often super tedious tasks into this new world of AI-driven precision and a kind of creativity that honestly was just science fiction a few years ago. So here's our roadmap. We're going to kick things off with a big picture, what we're calling the AI creative revolution. Then we'll break it down into 4 pillars you can actually use: building out your workflow, executing your creative ideas, supercharging your retouching, and then mastering the pro tips. And to wrap it all up, we'll look at what this means for you down the road. Okay, so the first thing we really need to get our heads around is this. AI is not here to replace you. Think of it as a powerful new assistant, a creative co-pilot. Its job is to handle the grunt work, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, your unique artistic vision. Now, you've probably heard the names Adobe Sensei and Firefly thrown around. Let's just quickly clear up what they are. Think of Sensei as the big, powerful AI brain that Adobe has built into all its products. Firefly, on the other hand, is the specific generative AI model, the thing that actually powers incredible tools like Generative Fill. It's the engine under the hood, and, this is a huge deal, it's trained on Adobe's own stock library, so it's designed to be commercially safe. So here's the deal. Mastering this whole new world can be broken down into 4 key stages, or pillars. First, you build the tools into your process. Then, you use them to create and execute your ideas. After that, you edit and retouch faster than ever before. And finally, you get to the point where you can master and even automate your entire workflow, making the tech truly work for you. All right, let's jump right into that first pillar, building your workflow. This is all about laying the foundation. It's about setting up Photoshop so you can take full advantage of all these new AI superpowers. This is basically the blueprint for a modern AI workflow. It all starts with getting Adobe Firefly integrated. From there, you're using game-changing tools like Generative Fill to add or remove anything you can imagine, and Generative Expand to intelligently, expand your canvas. All these pieces are designed to work together, creating this smooth pipeline from your first idea all the way to the final export. Okay, once you're all set up, it's time for Pillar 2, creative execution. And this is where the real magic happens. This is where you go beyond just making simple edits and you start creating entire worlds from scratch, powered by your imagination with AI as your guide. I mean, this is where you just let your imagination run wild. You can generate whole worlds from just a simple text prompt, build out scenes with unbelievably realistic depth, and then blend those AI elements seamlessly with your own photography or designs. The level of control is just insane. You can use Firefly to dial in the exact lighting, color, and texture you need to bring your vision to life. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about our third pillar, AI-powered retouching. Seriously, for anyone who has lost hours and hours on meticulous, pixel-by-pixel edits, this is an absolute game changer. AI is taking the most boring parts of retouching and making them nearly instant. Just look at this contrast. On the left, you've got the old way, spending hours manually softening skin or painstakingly cloning out an unwanted object. And on the right, that's the new reality. Flawless AI portrait retouching in seconds. One-click background removal. The amount of time and pure tedium this saves is just staggering. So, we've built our workflow, we've created with it, we've retouched. Now for our final pillar, mastering the pro tips. This is what separates the casual users from the real pros, learning the advanced techniques to get exactly what you want and to streamline your entire process. It really all starts with the prompt. It's the classic garbage in, garbage out scenario. To get exactly what you want from the AI, you have to get good at this. Be clear about your goal, use rich, descriptive adjectives, and get really specific about the style and the lighting. It's all about iterating, trying things, tweaking and refining until you bend the AI to your exact will. And thinking like a pro doesn't just stop in Photoshop. The real power move is integrating your entire creative ecosystem. This means combining Photoshop's AI with your Lightroom workflows for organizing and color grading, and even creating your own custom Photoshop actions to automate all those common, repetitive edits you do over and over. So when you bring all 4 of these pillars together, what you get is a workflow that is just faster, smarter, and way more imaginative. You're not just an editor anymore. You're more like a director. You spend less time on manual labor and more time actually executing your vision. And that really brings us to the big philosophical question, doesn't it? As these incredible AI tools become a seamless extension of our own creative minds, it kind of forces us to think about the nature of art itself. Where does the artist's vision end and the algorithms begin? It's a fascinating new frontier, and it's something for all of us to think about as we start creating the future.